Hi, after demonetization of the higher denominations, everybody speaking, everybody discussing about the GST. It's goods and service tax. Actually, it's goods and service tax is an indirect tax. You all people know that it's an indirect tax to replace the tax level by the central and state government. Actually, I have information whether I would like to. I would like to share with you. It's very useful and important information. Well, the goods and service tax has been it's one of the key things that has caught attention of the market, give its implications on earnings of the company. The government has kept a large number of items under 18% tax slab. The government categorized 1,211 items under various tax slabs here. The tax slabs starts with it's 0%, and it starts with 0% and ends with 28%. Here we have the six categories of five categories of the tax slabs: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and the 28%. Well, the important thing is gold and rough diamonds do not fall under the current rate slab, Amit, and will be taxed at the 3% and 0.25% respectively. Let's we begin with no tax, 0%. The 0% tax. The no tax will be imposed on items like jute, fresh meat, fish, chicken, eggs, milk, buttermilk, curd, natural honey, fresh fruits and vegetables, flour, basin, bread, prasad, salt, bindi, sindoor, stamps, judicial papers, printed books, newspapers, bangles, handlooms, bones and horn clothes, bone grist, bone meal, hoof meal, horn meal, cereal grains, hull, palmary, jaggery, salt, all types, kajal, children's picture, drawing, or coloring mix, human hair. Next, services. The services hotel and lodge with tariff with below 1,000 rupees, no tax will be applicable. It's above 1,000 rupees, the above 1,000 rupees, 5% tax will be applicable. The above 1,000 rupees, the 5% tax will be applicable. The grandfathering service has been exempted under GST. Rough precious and semi precious stones will be attracted GST of 0.25%. Now 5%. Items such as fish fillet, apparel below rupees 1,000, packed food items, footwear rupees 500, cream, skimmed milk, powder, branded paneer, frozen vegetables, coffee, teas, pieces, pizza bread, rusk, sabudana, kerosene, coal, medicines, tent, lifeboats, cashew nut in sale, resin, ice and snow, biogas, insulin, agarbatti, kites, postage or revenue stamp, postmarks, first day covers. This comes under the 5% tax. The goods which comes under the 5% tax. The services which comes under the 5% tax, like the transport services, the railways, airports, small restaurants will be under the 5% category, because their main input is the petroleum, which is outside GST, Amit, Amit, which is outside GST limit. 12% tax. I already mentioned you apparel. It's above. Below 1,000 rupees comes under the 5% tax. Apparel above 1,000 rupees comes under the 12% tax. Frozen meat products, butter, cheese, ghee, dry fruits in packed form, animal fats, sausage, fruit juices, bhutia, namkeen, ayurvedic medicines, tooth powder, agarbatti, coloring books, picture books, umbrella, sewing machine, cell phones, ketchup and sauces, all diagnostic kits and reagents, exercise books, notebooks, spoons, forks, ladles, skimmers, cake servers, fish knives, tongue, spectacles, corrective playing cards, chessboard, carom board, and other board types like Ludo comes under 12% tax. And the services like state-run lotteries, non-AC hotels, business class tickets, fertilizers, what contracts will fall under 12% GST. And the goods of 18% GST. It's most items are another. I actually already mentioned you and already told you about the most items. The government has kept the large number of items under 18% tax. The 18% tax, most items are under 18% tax slab, which includes footwear costing more than 500 rupees, bidi pata, biscuits of all categories, flavored, refined, sugar, pasta, cornflakes, pastries and cakes, preserved vegetables, jam, sauces, soaps, ice creams, instant food mixes, mineral water. Mineral water is also comes under 18% tax. Tissues, envelopes, tissues also comes under 18% tax. Tampons, notebooks, steel products, printer circuits, cameras, speakers and monitors, kajal pencil sticks, headgear and parts of their aluminium foil, weighing machinery and other than electronic weighing machinery, printers other than multifunction printers, electrical transformers, CCTV, optical fiber, bamboo furniture, swimming pools and padding pools, curry paste, mayonnaise and salad dressings, mixed condiments and mixed seasonings also comes under 18% tax. Now the services which comes under the 18% tax: AC hotel, the which serves liquor, telecom services, IT services, branded garments and financial services will attract the 18% tax, service tax, and 18% GST. uh, Room tariffs between 2000 and 500 7500 restaurants, in which comes under 18%, and the restaurants inside the 5-star hotels which comes under 18% tax. And then now 28%. Now we'll check the goods of the 28%. BDs, chewing gum, molasses, chocolates not containing coca, waffles and wafers coated and with a chocolate, pan masala, aerated water, paint, deodorants, shaving creams, hair shampoo, dyes, sunscreen, wallpapers, ceramic tiles, water heater, dishwater, weighing machine, washing machine, ATM, vending machines, vacuum cleaners, shavers, hair clippers, automobiles, motorcycles, aircraft or personal use will come under 28% tax. I already told this is the highest under the GST system. And services like services which comes under the 28% tax, like private and lotteries authorized by the states, hotels with room tariffs above 7500, hotels with the room tariffs between 2500 and 7500 comes under 80% tax, and the hotels with the tariff of 7000 above the 7500 comes under the 28% tax. 5-star hotels, race club, betting, cinema will attract tax 28% under GST. Under GST. Thank you. Thank you for the thank you for the viewers who watched it's my video. Thank you very much.